Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making 2-ingredient biscuits. That's right, 2. What are those 2 ingredients? Self-rising flour and heavy cream. This is a super fast recipe, comes together so simply. You just put those 2 ingredients in a bowl, you round out, make biscuits, you put them in the oven. That's basically it. So let's see how these turn out. Because have I made this before? Of course not. So let's find out together, is it worth it or not? I was inspired by this song. 2 ingredients are better than 3. Self-rising flour and just using heavy cream. Yeah, that's it. First things first, get that oven nice and hot to 475 degrees. Second thing you want to do is to get a cake pan or a cast iron pan ready to go. Oil it up, no butter in this recipe. Flour, heavy cream, mix until just combined. Lightly flour your surface. Move your biscuit mixture. Fold the dough over itself, kind of like this. Just keep folding it a little bit. Okay, like so. All right, you want it to be about 3/4 of an inch to an inch thick. I made it to an inch. Make these thicker biscuits. Using your biscuit cutter, this is about 2.5 inches, and I'm getting some flour in there. You go ahead and start cutting your biscuits. You want to go straight down. You don't want to try to turn it as much as you possibly can. I'm trying to get it out here. So do what you can to do that. All right, take it out, put it in your pan. Oil this first. Feel free to oil your rings first as well. Into the oven for 12 minutes until they're a golden brown. Time's up, they're looking nice golden brown. Let's top them with butter. Look at this great looking, super fast 2-ingredient biscuit. You can see it's even pulling apart in layers. Just 2 ingredients. It smells just like a biscuit. Let's break it apart. Ooh, look at that steam. That looks great. A nice fluffy biscuit. It is fluffy. Okay, let's give it a taste. This is a great 2-ingredient biscuit. It is creamy tasting, but not buttery, obviously, because it doesn't have the butter in it. But it is great, and it sort of hits that spot when you need a biscuit in your life. If I can make 2-ingredient biscuits for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so much more.